Welcome to AI Made Simple. In this first tutorial, we're breaking down the big question. What exactly is artificial intelligence? And why should you care? You've probably heard of AI in the news or on social media. Maybe you've chatted with ChatGPT, asked Siri for the weather, or watched Netflix recommend your next movie. Guess what? That's AI in action. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science focused on building smart machines. Machines that can do things humans normally do, like thinking, learning, and problem solving. It's like teaching a computer to recognize patterns, make decisions, and even improve itself. For example, a spam filter learns what's junk email, and a voice assistant understands your commands. AI is not one single thing. Let's break down the main categories. First, we have narrow AI. This is the AI we use every day. It's designed for one specific task, like facial recognition or translating languages. Second, there's general AI. This would be a machine that thinks like a human in all areas. It could cook, write music, and drive a car, just like us, but it doesn't exist yet. And finally, super AI, smarter than all humans combined. That lives only in science fiction movies, at least for now. So where do we use AI in daily life? The answer, almost everywhere. Google Maps adjusts your route in real time. Social media curates your feed. Online shopping recommends products you might like. And voice assistants like Alexa or Siri answer your questions. AI is behind all of these things, working quietly in the background. Of course, AI has both benefits and challenges. On the positive side, AI helps us make faster decisions, automate boring tasks, and personalize our experiences. But there are also concerns. AI can be biased, it may affect jobs, and it raises privacy issues. That's why ethical AI is such an important topic, which we'll cover later in this series. So now you know, AI isn't just about robots or science fiction, it's already part of your daily life, shaping the apps, tools, and services you use. And this is just the beginning. In our next tutorial, we'll explore how machines actually learn. Spoiler alert, it's not magic, it's math plus data. So stick around, subscribe, and join us for the next episode. Thanks for watching AI Made Simple. See you in tutorial 2.